We've added a powerful new tool to help you manage pricing more efficiently, Global Store Markup. This feature lets you apply a percentage-based markup or markdown to all product pricing within an individual store, so you can make broad updates without editing each product manually. It's ideal for adjusting prices in response to new tariffs, rolling out limited-time promotions, or reacting to rising supply costs. To get started, head over to the store admin area and look in the left-hand settings panel. You'll find the new store markup option listed there. From this panel, you can enable markup for a specific store and enter the percentage you want to apply. Use a positive value to increase prices or a negative value to apply a discount, perfect for promotions or cost changes. Store markup only applies to the base product price. It does not affect shipping, decoration, personalization, taxes, or any other pricing components. Need a quick way to increase pricing across hundreds of products? Just turn on store markup and enter the percentage you need. No more editing each product individually. Remember, this is a per-store setting. Once saved, it becomes visible across key areas of your account. In the store list, you'll now see a store markup column showing the active percentage. And inside order details, a yellow banner will display when an order is impacted, like a 15% markup, so your team is always in the loop. This improves transparency, ensuring everyone knows when pricing doesn't match the original product setup due to a global adjustment. You'll also find store markup reflected in key reports, helping you track which stores or orders include adjusted pricing. With store markup, you get faster pricing updates, fewer errors, and more control, without disrupting decoration, personalization, or shipping fees. It's a simple way to protect your margins, move quickly, and maintain consistency across your storefronts.